Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's pick this edit icon in the middle and tap on the profile icon at the top. And as you can see, right now we can decide. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Here we will be transferred to our own photos, so let me pick this one and tap on the tick icon in the right upper corner. And now from this step we can change the position of the photo inside this highlighted circle. It is because this area is responsible for what we will see after saving the whole contact. So here you can zoom in, zoom out, so just set what you want to see on the contact. Basically maybe something like that, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on the tick icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, it has been immediately applied, so let's tap on the tick again, and here we've got our contact with saved picture. You will be able to see it, for example, whilst all incoming calls from that number, and you can also see it on the contact list. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.